Welcome to Study Loop.
All right, so some possible reasons for an unfavorable direct manufacturing labor efficiency variance are the hiring and use of underskilled workers, right? Uh, Hiring and use of underskilled workers, right? And inefficient scheduling of work, right? Inefficient, inefficient scheduling of work, right? And so that the workforce was not optimally occupied, right? Workforce was not optimally occupied, right? Optimally occupied, right? And also poor maintenance, poor maintenance, right? Of machines, poor maintenance of machines that resulting in a high proportion of non-value added labor, right? And unrealistic time standards, right? Unrealistic time standards, right? Unrealistic time standards, and each of these factors would result in actual direct manufacturing labor hours being higher than indicated by the standard work rate, right? So these are the reasons.